Hi everyone, this is your math guru. In this video, I want to show you how to simplify the following algebraic fraction. We have x squared minus 2x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 minus x squared plus x plus 1 divided by x cubed minus 1. The constraint is x cannot be equal to 1. When you have algebraic fractions separated by a plus or minus, the aim is to place the fractions under the same denominator. To do that, I'm going to start by simplifying each of the terms of the fractions by factorization. I'm starting with x squared minus 2x plus 1. That's a trinomial. If you want to know how to factorize trinomials, check in the comment section for various factorization methods. So I have my two brackets open. I have x times x. Then this will be the factors of 1. That will give you negative 1. That will be negative 1 and negative 1. That will give me negative 2. That's the term in the middle, divided by x minus 1, or minus. I'm going to leave the term x squared plus x plus 1 as it is. I can't factorize that, so it stays as x squared plus x plus 1. But if I look at my denominator, x cubed minus 1 can be rewritten as x cubed minus 1 cube, and that is the difference of 2 cubes. So using the factorization method for difference of 2 cubes, I have that as x minus 1 multiplying x squared plus 1 times x, then 1 squared is 1. So the next step, I'm going to try and reduce what I have. I have the same factors at the top and at the bottom, x minus 1, that goes out, and on my right hand side, I have the same factor at the top and at the bottom. So I'm left with x minus 1 over 1 minus 1 over x minus 1. Now I have something simpler to work with. The next step is to try and put them under the same denominator. My lowest common denominator in this case, or my LCD, is x minus 1. Note that my LCD will contain all the factors of my denominator. So if I look at my left hand side, I have that as divided by 1. So what I'm going to do to change the denominator to x minus 1 is to multiply both the denominator and the numerator by x minus 1. So if I rewrite my expression, I have that as x minus 1 multiplying x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 minus 1 over x minus 1. Note that now I have the same denominator as shown, so therefore I'm going to place that under the same denominator as x minus 1, and then if I multiply x minus 1 times x minus 1 by foiling, I have that as x squared minus 2x plus 1. Then I have the numerator on my right hand side, that's minus 1. If I simplify further, that is x squared minus 2x plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 goes out. I'm left with x squared minus 2x over x minus 1. That's my final answer. If I want to simplify further, I can say that is also equal to, if I factor out x at the top, that will be x minus 2 divided by x minus 1. Thanks for watching. Bye.